is a singer-songwriter who represents the soul of the city through every lyric, melody, blending biz rock, OPM, and pop. He brings a sound that's uniquely local and undeniably powerful. Whether it's through his original songs or his heartfelt takes on your favorite covers, this artist is here to share more than just music. He's here to share a connection. So ladies and gents, let's give him a loud and warm welcome. Make some noise for Keith Akita!
So, kung ganahan mo kay tabangi ko ninyo. Okay ra? Okay ra. So, magdamig-dami lang kita karon. And before ko magsugod kay, pwede ko mangutana kanang unsa inyong ganahan? Chinita, Mestiza, or Morena? Kasi ganahan Chinita rin. Mga 74. Mga kuan, Mestiza. Mestiza. Oy, mga zero. Mga, kuan, Morena! Mga kuan, 655. Kaya, so, tabangi ko ninyo. So, can we clap our hands like this? One. Okay, apil mo dyan. Gini lang. 1, 2, 3, go! Morena. Come on, boot. Last one. Ooh, thank you guys. 1, 2, 3. Hey, dad. Golden mind. Pasti wala kang kabantay pa. Pwede na akong igua sa imong pagka-fighter. Naugas ko lang. Memores na tudang panalilis. So what? Sa isip-pilit mo, mauli akong ganda. Para simula, I know it's traveling halfway around the world. My morena girl, mauli akong forever, 'cause I have someone just like her. My morena, my morena. I know, morena is not. But whenever you were saying, I feel you saying I don't want. Mamuwa ang akong hangin. Whenever I do, I see you. Muski pagpitan kasi. You will love me too. Everybody say, makunin ako na. Para simula. I'm going to halfway around the world. Traffic someone down the way. Alam makita ka. Wala ka sa fuente. Maginabot man o lang. Gusto ko lang. Adopti ka.
Love.